Hi guys, today I would like to talk about the concept of combining shared web workers with OffscreenCanvas. To give you a basic idea, we have one main window in which we have our application running. This one is using a so-called shared application web worker, which contains our app and our components. So we can see it here. In case we dive into this application web worker, we can see our files. And we also have a shared worker for Canvas. So if we look into sources here, it's very, very little input. We only have one Canvas helper inside the main app. Yeah. And as soon as we now open, oh wait, one more second. Before we do that, let's go into network. So as you can see, we now loaded all the neo files in the development mode, but we also loaded all the D3 dependencies. So what we want to do here is we want to move one WebGL based Canvas node from one window into a different window, and of course we want to keep the state as close as possible, and we also want to only load this D3 library once. So as we do it now, we just moved it around. As you can see, we don't have to reload anything. And if you go into sources, we now have a second app, and this child app is really just an as close to a dummy app as you can think of. It's an empty viewport with really nothing in there. Alright, now the fun part is we have moved the canvas into the different window. We can go to the first window again and we can change the amount of items. And now we already have a lot more. And if we close this window again, we can just flip it back to the main window. And again, we don't have to reload any D3 dependencies because they are still inside the shared worker. Now with 1 million items, this is also close to the limit for my computer, but it still works pretty fine. So now we could, for example, also say, let's stop the main thread with an alert. It's kind of funny because an alert will only show up in case the browser window has focus. But it doesn't matter. Even if the alert is up and running, we will still see the animations because this is all happening inside the shared canvas worker. And obviously the same in case you move back. You can also just freeze the main thread and this will get ignored. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will write a blog post on this topic pretty soon. Bye bye.